student, welcome to our new video and our today's topic, that is last topic of this chapter, that is chemical properties of metals and non-metals, and we are going to study the uses of metals and non-metals. So just have a look in your textbook.
Metals chemical properties. Reaction of metals with oxygen. Almost all metals react with oxygen to form metal oxide. So, what happens when metals react with oxygen? They form metal oxide. But the reactivity differ from different metals. Sodium and potassium are the most reactive metals. So, which are the most reactive metals? Sodium and potassium. Sodium react with oxygen in air at room temperature to form sodium oxide. So when does sodium reacts with oxygen, what is formed? Sodium oxide. Hence sodium is stored under kerosene oil to prevent its reaction with oxygen, moisture and carbon dioxide. Okay, so it is stored in kerosene under kerosene oil so that it does not react with oxygen, moisture and carbon dioxide. Magnesium does not react with oxygen at room temperature, but on heating, magnesium burns in air with intense light and heat to form magnesium oxide. So it does not react with oxygen at room temperature, but when it is heated, it forms magnesium oxide. Can you see the reaction? 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 Mg O2. 2 Mg, yes, when we put the 2 front, it is 2 Mg and 2 O. Zinc burns in air only on strong heating to form zinc oxide. So 2Zn plus O2 gives 2ZnO, that is zinc oxide and magnesium oxide. Reaction of metals with water. Metals like potassium and sodium react vigorously with cold water. Sodium reacts with water to involve hydrogen, which immediately catches fire, producing lot of heat. That is, which reaction it is? Exothermic reaction. It reacts with water to evolve hydrogen and it catches fire, producing lot of heat. Can you see 2K plus 2H2? K, that is potassium, and H2. It forms 2KOH plus hydrogen gas is released. Reaction of metals with acids give salt and hydrogen gas. Dilute hydrochloric acid, that is HCl. Formation of metal chloride and hydrogen gas. Let us see. Magnesium plus 2HCl give MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas is released. Then aluminum plus hydrochloric acid, okay, AlCl3, aluminum chloride plus hydrogen gas. Zinc plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. So students, these are the answer, okay. The non-metals which is essential for our life, which all living beings inhale during breathing, that is, what will be the answer? Oxygen. Then that is used for fertilizer for the growth of plants. So which non-metal is it? Nitrogen and phosphorus. Then used for water purification, that is chlorine. And colored solution which is applied wounds as an antiseptic, that is iodine. And that non-metal which is used in crackers, that is sulfur. So you may find some more uses of metals and non-metals from your experiences. Uses of metals. Iron is used for making various parts of automobiles, machinery, industrial gadget, train, cooking, utensil, etc. Gold and silver are used for making ornaments and jewelry. Copper is used for making electric wires, whereas mercury is used in thermometer. Radioactive metals like uranium and platinum are used in nuclear power as they have high power energy to produce atomic energy.
Student, I hope you all are clear with this chapter. Related to this chapter, I am going to send you all worksheet. You are going to write down the question answers in your notebook.